I just got a very scary email. It's a girl, baby girl. We're on our way to the airport. My dad actually bought a ticket so that he could come through and eat with me, and then we're gonna cancel the ticket right before it boards. So hopefully it works out.
Danielle, do you see a place where they pick you up?
No. The cookies made it through.
Cookies made it. Well, we made it to the Centurion Lounge. The only way I got in here was I had to buy a ticket. So we bought a ticket on Southwest, canceled the ticket, and then Danielle's leaving and I'm going home. So bye-bye to a wonderful trip. Ooh. Ooh. Bye-bye.
Give me the cookies.
Thank you. Welcome to my crib.
And here's Blake.
Took us forever to get Denver, and we're finally here. There's the story.
Why is it so close?
Hello. That's how the vlog
What time is
starts.
it?
11:30.
It's approximately
11:30.
11:38.
And we have to wake up at 7 to go hiking.
Upper. Show the robe. We're going on an outing. It is 12:02. We're gonna try to find someplace to eat because we're starving. Update. The bar was a bust, so we got pizza at a food truck. To be continued.
Good morning.
I looked up everything last night on Google and said, can I put my contacts in water? No, 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 no.
We're ready to go hiking.
Whoa.
What you got?
Making that Buddha, baby.
We're on the streets of Denver, walking the mile to Taylor's house. Woo-hoo. Cheers.
You would see what I got when I popped it. Recreate it.
It's too big for the arch.
No, it's perfect. It looks just pretty straight. Okay, go. Ah! 1 second after. The champion. Because she's cheating with this. Oh my God, look at her. They're watching a video. We're going to go see the venue for the baby shower.
The venue.
Here, take a picture for, what's it called? For the thumbnail. Well, I'm just gonna smile. Can you cut it?
Yeah.
Okay. Danielle,
Yes.
where are we?
We're at the old Red Rocks. Check it out. There he is. Go, 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 go. But faster!
No!
I want to see someone fall.
He doesn't make it. For herself!
Every single day of his life. I don't think it's as hard as it's. Yeah, it's cardio.
Danielle,
Oh God!
she's in the way. She leaves her Ray-Bans on the ground.
I found a penny.
Was it on heads?
Heads up.
Woo!
All right, we're replicating this little guy.
Oh my God, it's adorable. I love it. It has a little toupee.
We're setting up the paint and straw. Flip the straw. We've made a very big mess. It's fine. Oh, baby.
Are y'all good?
It's a target rich environment. You'll be all right. Hey.
Oh. 3, 2, 1.
Proud dad
That was a
moment.
big-
funny that Danielle said I'm good at vlogging. And last night she said I'm horrible at vlogging. But don't worry, my flight got delayed again. Oh, and Blake lost our stuff.
What?
Wait, where are your glasses? Gone?
In the Hilton.
Rosie. Rosie.
I don't want to leave.
Oh, Squid has to leave. Squid has FOMO. Blake's making her leave. Oh, have fun at the airport. My feet hurt from the walk. That's how my feet feel. I have a very romantic meal in bed for Maurice and I. Lots of different soups to try. Big Mama's breakfast.
Goodbye.
I'm leaving. Oh, you can see your belly. Hi. The airport is poppin'. Oh my God.
The local time is 4 p.m.
Hello, kitty cat.